Dear sir, as per the project, the control panel is ready and the 10 QR code storing facilities also is ready, and uh, barcode scanner that can be mounted in any position and any orientation can be changed easily. And the sticker printer is also ready. The ISO sticker sensor. It only senses the ISO sticker, so its repeatability also is a bit good one. And the interlock cylinder assembly for the heating element is also ready. The QR also is a direct detectable one. There are 10 barcodes printing separately. We will start with resetting this one. Now I have resetted all the barcodes. Okay. Once the barcode is sent, we are getting the data here, and we will give a signal that checking the barcode. If it is present in this list, it will give an alarm. If it's not present in this or previous 10 product, it will store that particular product in a backup. So once we check, the data is updated here. I will take another product and we will scan it. Its number is different. This one is our old one and this is the now one. And again we will check this product is whether already stored or no. The product is added in this previous scan list. Now what I will do, I will repeat the old product for the scanning. Here we can see the first product number 353 and second product number, and the repeated product number is same. And once I check the number, it is giving an error, QR code error. It is not storing the data in the list. So once the repeated product is comes, we need to reset the things. Then again, if I scan another product, another QR code, and update the list, it was not in the previous list, so it's getting the updated. Once all these 10 products are filled, the automatically barcode printer will print the sticker. The printer matter is selected as Precision Manufacturing Limited, reservoir assembly, and quantity is 10 number. So it can also be edited. Once we have a discussion, we can edit this the parameter as well. And for and regarding the ISO sticker sensor, it should be mounted on the fixed position. So that we have tested a lot of things, so it don't have any repeatability issues. or any malfunctioning due to the light intensities. It can be placed in a fixed position and it will detect the ISO sticker. And push button panel is also ready, and wiring all the things has been completed.